Welcome back to DIY University by Sally Beauty. We've talked about prepping your nails for a manicure, we've talked about nail enhancements and how to do them, but how do you remove it? Don't worry, whether you're removing a simple gel manicure or a super thick dip powder manicure, I'm going to walk you through how to safely remove your manicure at home. Removing regular lacquer is super easy. Just saturate the cotton pad with acetone and then just wipe away the polish. I even like to hold the cotton pad there just for 30 seconds, just to help that acetone really get into the layers of the polish, and just wipe the polish away. To remove the dip powder manicure, you want to use your coarse file and you want to file the shine off of your manicure. Then saturate a cotton pad with some acetone, place it over the nail and secure it with some foil. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that amount of time, you can check it. You can remove the foil, and most of the dip powder should have softened by now. And then you can scrape it away, but don't force it. If it's not coming off, soak it for a little longer. And whatever's left, you can easily file away with a file. I like to cleanse the nail plate one more time with some acetone, and then finish with some cuticle oil. Removing nail stickers is super easy. All you need is a bowl of warm soapy water. Go ahead and put your hand into the water and leave it there for about 5 minutes to soften the sticker. But remember, check the instructions on the specific nail stickers you're using. After about 5 minutes, you can remove your hand from the water, and then with a wooden stick, carefully go around the edge of the sticker and begin to pry it up. The warm soapy water should have loosened the adhesive enough so that you're able to push the sticker off of your nail. If you happen to have any residue left over on your nail, you can easily remove that with a lint-free wipe and some rubbing alcohol. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. If you feel like your sticker isn't easily peeling up, soak it for a little bit longer. To remove press-on nails, you'll need a soaking bowl and some pure acetone. Pour some acetone into the bowl, enough that you can fully immerse all of your nails into it. Then submerge your nails into the acetone and let them sit there for about 5 minutes. The acetone works to dissolve the nail glue that we use to apply the nails. But remember, always check the directions on the set that you're using. After soaking, run the wooden stick around the edge of the nail, and it should be dissolving, and you should be able to press it up. If you can't, put your nails back into the acetone for a couple more minutes. You can always use a lint-free wipe, remove any excess so you can better see what's going on. Scrape the nail, and then if you need to, you can always take a file and buff down any of the fake nail that's stuck on. Give it one more soak to get that last layer off, and then after that final soak, that fake nail should be mostly dissolved, and you can wipe off the excess. And if you need to, again, just lightly give it a file. Once you've removed your press-on nails, go ahead and wash your hands with warm soapy water, and then you can apply a cuticle oil to rehydrate the skin. To remove the polygel, you're going to first take a coarse file and file down the top shine. This is going to break through the gel top coat we applied, as well as get into the polygel below. File it until you can see no more shine left on your nail, and you can see that the file has dipped into the polygel. Now take a cotton round or cotton pad and soak it in 100% acetone. And then just place that acetone soaked cotton round over your nail and wrap it in the foil. After 10 minutes, you can go ahead and check. You should be able to easily push up some of the product, but if it's not all coming up, don't force it. Resaturate your cotton round and reapply your foil and wait another 10 minutes. Polygel is a little tougher than regular gel, so don't be put off if it takes more passes of removal to try to get that off. And after the second set of 10 minutes, when you remove the foil, the gel should come with it. If you have any leftover gel on your nail, you can use a buffing block to lightly buff that away. Finish with a little bit of cuticle oil, and that's it. To remove a nail art manicure, it's basically the same as removing regular polish, but you're going to need to take into consideration all those layers of polish. So I recommend holding the cotton pad with the acetone on it on the design for a little extra time, maybe 30 to 60 seconds, and then just wipe it away. And with removing rhinestones, you just do the same thing. Hold the acetone soaked cotton pad on the design and then pull it away. If you glued on your rhinestones with nail glue, you may need to hold the acetone on the nail a little longer. Now that you've removed your manicure, you're free to do it all over again. And why not switch up the style, color, shape? Life's too short for boring nails. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to watch more DIY University videos by Sally Beauty, make sure to subscribe and check out these videos here. There's something you're gonna love.